Welcome, antiques lovers, to an antiques adventure. Today we're at Amart Milan to find some incredible treasures. Amart Milan is a fair of antiques and also fine arts held in a museum, complete with security guards all talking into their sleeves. I really do recommend this show. If you're someone who walks into a museum and you just walk around kind of lost, you'll really appreciate having so many informed expert sellers right there to tell you the histories that are so fascinating about all of the antique objects. The ultimate find, ultimate, is at the end of the video, so stick around because you won't even believe it. Our first stop takes us to Top Time Musa, where the owners help us to dive into their remarkable collection. This family has been selling amazing timepieces for 5 generations. Let's see what they have with them today.
In Italian or in English?
In English is better if you can.
Perfect.
If you can. If
My
not, I can do a
English
translation.
is not perfect, but
That's
I will
okay.
try. So, this is a musical box
See?
made, probably, we are not sure, but in China they told us that only the emperor can afford the price to buy this kind of stuff in China in 1885.
Wow.
And it's the most complicated musical box ever made, because usually have maximum 4 instruments. These have 5 instruments.
Oh.
And is in perfectly working condition. Play 12 Chinese antique songs.
Fantastic.
And I'll show you. At the bottom of the box, there is the number 1, and on the movement there is the number 1.
Wow.
So it's a unique one.
It is unique.
There is a mirror where usually there is the paper with the name of the songs.
Ah.
But the mirror in this period in China were made with polished metal. This was imported in Europe, from Europe, and at the time the European glass mirror in China cost like the gold. It was a very expensive thing.
And what is the price on this wonderful object?
We ask 50,000 euros.
50,000 euro.
Yes.
Well, it is unique,
But
and
it's a unique
immensely special. Thank you so much for showing
Thanks
us.
to you.
5th generation. Now, can you tell me about this?
Yes.
Is that a ring?
This is a watch ring,
It's a watch ring.
and was made in
See?
in the 1790
Wow.
by Lepine. That was a clockmaker of the King Louis XVI and the Emperor Napoleon I. Is one of the first example of clock with balance wheel.
Oh.
In a period of the history with the clocks run with pendulum.
See, wow.
Known.
Only 2 of these
Only
exist?
2 known, yes. One is this one, and the other one is in a private collection. And the statue,
See?
the original, the original 3 meter tall and in Carrara marble, are in the center courtyard of the Louvre Museum. Were made
I've heard of
for
it.
Louis XV or Louis XVI. La statua di Diana. Louis XVI. Louis XV. Maybe Louis XV.
Okay. I've heard of him.
Is the allegory of the wasted time.
Yes. Wasted time.
Wasted time, the relaxing time.
Nice.
Also. And here is right in French. De l'heure en nos plaisirs, c'est boule est l'image.
What does that mean?
And means that our pleasure hours have the image of this soap ball. So very, very, very cool, very chill.
Very chill.
Yes.
It sounds very Italian, actually.
But it's French.
Yes, but it's French.
That's why they call us cousins.
That's why.
Yeah,
okay.
yeah.
Raffaello Pernici focuses solely on ceramics, and they are incredible. The figurines are so expressive. They are by Scavini. There are many ceramic antiques here also by Gio Ponti and many other incredible, incredible artists. All of the links for the fairs and the sellers will be in the description box below. Be sure to check it out. Their websites are even more incredible. I have not been to an antique fair quite like this one before. Let me know in the comments down below if you've ever been to an antiques fair before. I'm really curious how they all differ from each other. For our next stop, let's take a look at the collection of Piva e Ci. Their assortment of antiques is so diverse. It is fascinating. From the smallest mechanical antiques to birds to giant mirrors. It is wonderful. This plaque is Roman from the end of the 18th century, and it's made of micro mosaics. Incredible. In total, it's only 4.5 by 7.5 centimeters or 1 3/4 by 3 inches. That's it. This spectacular mirror is over 3 meters high, and it dates from the year 1780. This is the 5th edition of A-Mart Milan with 65 galleries represented, showing everything from rare antique books to jewelry, to furniture, to carpets, and a wide assortment of paintings and sculptures for every collector and enthusiast. If you enjoy content like this, hit the like button. It really helps to support the channel. Finally, we are privileged to see this breathtaking masterpiece by Canaletto. It is showcased by the Lampronti London Gallery. Canaletto was the artistic name of Giovanni Antonio Canal. He lived from 1697 to 1768. Canaletto was from Venice, and this painting shows the arrival of the French ambassador to Venice. This painting is for sale for 10.5 million euros. I'm surprised they let me get this close to it, really. The record price paid for a Canaletto painting so far is 18.6 million pounds at Sotheby's in 2005. This is the biggest Canaletto. This painting is the star of the exposition. This is giant. Let's take a look. Let's look at this. It's shown by Cesare Lamponti. Canaletto.
Sono io che ringrazio lei.
The details. Let's see, look at all the details in this. That's incredible. Amazing. If you enjoy antiquing, our playlist is just here. Thank you so much for joining me today.